Every industrial workplace has safety rules you ignore at your peril. If you're not wearing a hard hat and goggles at a refinery, or don't have steel cap boots in an aircraft hangar, you'll be asked to leave, and not politely either. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. These safety imperatives are binary metrics, yes or no, in or out. So why don't we apply the same rigor to how we plan and perform our work? Whilst working on the deployment of TOC using advanced supporting software, I asked a colleague to share what he had learned about the core principles of making this step change in productivity work sustainably. After much reflection, we concurred that for success, you had to adhere to 5 core commandments: work fully kitted, act by priority, control work release, resolve issues rapidly, maintain true data. These are all phrased as imperatives for a reason. For the system to work, they're the 5 commandments. And if phrased as questions, are you fully kitted for this task? Or is this data true? There's a yes/no answer. We have a binary metric. My course for system thinkers explores how to think about the use of the 5 commandments as a foundation process for high-performance teams. Using the commandments methodically will optimize value delivered from constraints and contribute significantly to consistent high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.